Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about who is jealous of you. Who is that person who is jealous of you? Okay, we have two piles. Whichever you are attracted most, choose that pile. I am going towards the reading number 1. Those who choose pile number 1 with this blue colored Matha Bindya, your first card is Justice upside down. That person is he is a deceptive person, and he is a liar. He want to do bad things to others. They are not a good person. No justice in here. Not a just person, and liar, and they want to backstab you also. They want to done something bad to you. They are jealous of you. Maybe they are the Libra. Justice card resonated Libra, and 10 of Cups. This person is not happy with you. They not want to marry you. If you are in their relationship, they don't want to have any relationship with you, and they are I think Cancer, Pisces or Scorpio persons with this card for some of you, and they don't want you. They want to leave you in this situation. And with this 4 of Wands, or maybe they don't want to love you. They don't want you in their life, but they also want to marry you. With this card, they are Aries, Leo or Sagittarius, 4 of Wands, and they want to marry you. Definitely they want to marry you, but they don't want to take it for a long time. Maybe they want something. They want revenge from you. They want your money, something, and after that they are going to leave you. The Ace of Swords are upside down. This is for Libra. This is for Aquarius and Gemini person, and I think they are not telling you the truth about their desires, about their what they have in their mind. They are not telling you truth, and you are not also going to know that truth. You are not having any clarity over that situation until that time is come, and they are defending themselves. That person is defending themselves. They are maybe Aries, Leo or Sagittarius, and maybe they have some enemies of their, and they are defending themselves. They are protecting themselves over here. They are making this magical sign to protect themselves. And with this Page of Wands, yes, definitely they are not attracted to you. They are not thinking about you. They are not in love with you, but they also want to marry you because they have to do something to you. Maybe they want a revenge and about some situation, and maybe they want your money, or maybe you are a rich person, you are a wealthy person, and they want your money, or they know that you are very popular person, and they want to have popularity themselves, and something is hidden over here, and this is not the good situation. They maybe they are not want to or you are not want to go forward with that person, or the universe is telling you that don't go forward with that person, don't make any relationship with that person. That person is not good for you. And with this once again there are 2 cards of Ace of Swords, and that is upside down, and I think there is no clarity for you in this situation. You have to see that the truth after your marriage, when they are doing they had done something bad to you. Okay, and with this past life relationship, that I think that you definitely have some kind of past life relationship with them. Maybe you have married once in the past with that person, or you may know each other. You are the cousins of each other, someone, teacher or student or someone like that person. I think they are just attracted toward you, or they want to have what can I say, but just for 2 or 3 days they want the relationship with you, and then they want to go away from you. future. They are your future. Definitely they are coming towards you, and they are jealous of you. Definitely they are jealous of you with that ace of swords upside down, that 10 of cups upside down. What is this card? Oh, justice card is also upside down. And that person is death and the maiden. Invasion, boundaries, violated, dominance. And this card is for that this that skeleton want to marry, propose that lady, and she is thinking that if that skeleton is good for her or not, if he really love her or not. And the situation is, if she is going to marry that skeleton, they will kill that the lady, and for her safety she don't have to marry that skeleton. And this is also for you. This person is not good for you, but this is your future also. But they are not good for you, and they have something in their mind. They want to do something bad to you, and that's the situation over here. And the features of that person, I think they are very skinny. They have maybe they have large eyes, with tall. They are tall, or maybe some of them, one or two are short-heighted, and if that person is a lady, they have the long hair. I think that the men are also having the long hair to their shoulders, but for the ladies they have very long hairs. And for lots of ladies they have black hairs. For lots of you they have the black hairs. For some of you they have a golden hair. Maybe they have dyed that their hair. And there any sign from the list of zodiac, all signs are here in this situation, but main sign is that they are Libra. Yes, they are Libra. Okay, or Aries, also Aries, Libra or Aries. Okay, I want to know more about that person. For you, that this person that is jealous of you, they are born at the date of 21st, and yes, they are born at the date of 21st or fourth of some month, first of some month, or 10 of some month. Okay, and with this card, they are very modern. They used to live, their lifestyle is very modern, and or some of them have classic style clothes. They are wearing the classic style clothes. And some, only one or two of them have the bald head. Maybe at this time they are cutting off their they're going to cut their hairs. And some of them are from Japan, and I think that they go there for studies, or they have the business in there, or only for visiting. Okay, and their first letter of name is W. Any name, surname, or their name, and any name, their first letter was W or S, that person. Okay, and I want to clarify, but that what they want to talk to you. Yes, I have the question that what they want to tell you, or what they have in their mind for you, and don't do it again. They are telling you that don't do it again, or you are telling them that don't do it again to me. I am listening your cries. They are telling you that maybe you are telling them that you are listening to their cries. Universe will bring you back to me. they will telling you that universe will bring back you back to them. Okay, if you want me back, make me happy. They are telling you if you want me back. Yes, my father is not agree. They are telling you that their father is not agree with this situation. They don't want you for their sons or their child life partner. I want to tell you something. They have to tell you something. They have something to tell you. Do you want me in your life? They are asking you, do you want me in your do you want them in your life? It's raining in and out. You are telling them that I am crying without you. I don't want you. And some of you also telling that you don't want that person because you know what are they going to do to you. You are in my dreams. They are telling you you are in my dreams, and you are the one for me. They are telling you you are the one for me. With this next card, I will surely feel or make you happy. They are telling you I will surely make you happy. Okay, please take care of yourself. Yes, you are. They are telling you that take care of yourself. I am waiting for you. They are telling you I am. They are waiting for you. And do you take care of my children? Then you are asking them that maybe if you have children or they have children, that the person have the children. They are telling them that they are telling to the other person that you take care of my children, and I can sacrifice everything for you. They are telling you they can sacrifice everything for you. I love you, but I have to do my job. You are telling them that I love you, but I have to do my job. Okay, do you love me? They are asking you that do you love me? And don't listen to them. They are telling you that no, maybe this is you, but telling them then don't listen to your father. Okay, this is your soulmate. The universe are telling you that this is your soulmate. This person is your soulmate. My heart is broken, and they are telling you that their heart is broken because you are far from them. They love you, they want to marry you, and you are so far away from them. Okay, and that person is also jealous of you. They are not telling anything about this situation that they is jealous of you or something. Maybe they are jealous of you that because they don't have you in their life. They want to begin their life with you. They want to marry you or remarry you if you have the past life relationship with them. And yes, I want to take some more cards. My question is what they have in mind for you in reality. Okay, with this ostrich symbol, I think that that person is very shy or very coward, and at some time they are not as brave to do something and to tell you something, and that's why this Ace of Swords are upside down. I think that they are not having an urge to or a courage to tell you that they love you, they want to marry you, something like that. And maybe they are not brave to tell their father that they love you, they want to marry you. Okay, and they still are jealous with you. And with this, enjoy. God of ships and sea to sail you out of the storm. Help from God. Get your destiny to get what you want. Winning. Get past through problems. Easy way. Okay. Be stressless. Okay. They are here for your help. The God is or the God are with them or with you for your help. For your help to get you out of this storm of the life. And what is this? This Ragnarok. This is some kind of justice towards you or them. Okay, this is the day of doom or judgment when the bravest of the Energar will join Odin against Loki and the giants in the battle at the end of the world, the judgment day, the day when Allah will punish bad and award for good ones, heaven or hell. Oh, what is this? The strongest day. Okay, yes, something is going to happen towards you. I think this is your future, and this is, I think this is good for you. There, in this situation, you are going to learn some lesson. The God will give them to you, that so you can have some kind of lessons, or they want to teach you some lessons. With this, what is this called? Hagin and Munin. Yes, that means that thought and memory, respectively. Maybe you still have the thoughts about that person, the memory about of that person in your mind, and you are not able to forget them, or they are not forgetting you. Something over here. And with the artist, the god of Thor, the god defended by someone, and I think they are defending by someone. Yes, they are defending someone. Maybe they want to defend you. And with this card, the person that is jealous of you, they want to defend you. They want to give you the protection. Yes, that person is in your life, and that have some kind of story or some kind of reason that you have that person in your life. Inner jar. And what is this? Great heroes when who have died with bravery on earth. Soldiers in Odin's eternal army. They train in Valhalla for Ragnarok, when the bravest of them will join Odin. Okay, well, against Loki. Okay, again and against in the battle at the end of the world. The good people got rewarding for their good and brave deeds. In and from Allah. Okay. Yes, you are definitely. There is some kind of justice for you. And inner jar. This person is for you, because the God, the Allah is bringing them towards you to show you some kind of path away. True introvert. Okay, this is the introverted nature. They easily feel comfortable with others. They cannot feel easy in crowd. They give their buddies alone time to get recharge if they are not feeling well with them. Four of Swords. Yes, they are here to, definitely they are here to help you. That's why this card is over here. And this is your reading for now. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. And if you want to know more about your situation, then please go and check my previous reading videos, or you can watch my upcoming videos. So for that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get my all of my videos in future, and you will surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the pile number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 or this blue color sandal keychain, your first card is Queen of Pentacles. This person is promise maker, and they are care about the persons around them. They love, and they are a money maker. They make money very easily, and they have something in their mind for you, and they are very rooted person. Their mind is very wise. They are very wise person, or having very experience in their life. a lot of experience. Yes, with this high priestess, they are definitely a very wise person, and they are planning about you something. If they plan about something about someone, and you have to aware of that person. This person is a lot danger. If they want to plan something bad for you, if they are jealous of you, this is a very keen, very clever person. Yes. And with this chariot card, maybe they don't want to move towards you, or uh, they don't want you to move anywhere. They are blocking you over here, and their mind is stuck over this situation. Is their mind is stuck over you. They want to do something over here with you. And with this king of swords, they are not going to cut you off from their life, from their mind. They are not letting you go. They can't think straight at this situation. They are not isolated. They are going to tell you all about their feelings, but they are not letting you go. They are jealous of you, because, and they are, I think their revenge is that they are not letting you go away. And with this five of wands, they are stopping that quarrel over here, stopping that battle, finishing this over here. They are not fighting with you anymore. That person is juggler. They are juggling more. If they want to decide something, they have to juggle more. They have to thought a lot to make a decision. They are not able to make any decision over here. Yes, they are confusing about this situation. And that person, maybe they are Leo, maybe they are Aquarius, or Cancer, or Pisces, Capricorn, and once again King of Swords. Once again they are Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini. And Leo, they are the very successful person. They have all in their life, all happiness, all goodness in their life, and they are a successful person. They are going to win. And maybe now they want to cut someone from their life, and they want to isolate themselves. And that person is very tough person. They are not telling you about anything over here. And I think they are stalking you, or they are going to cut you from their life. I think they are stalking you, because it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Maybe they love you, and the universe is telling you that this person is good for you. Rather, they are they're jealous of you, but they love you also. They are thinking about you. That's why they are not cutting you from their life. They are cutting the bad memories, bad thoughts about you. And I think they want you in their life, calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmation, and visualization help bring you together. Yes, if you want that person in your life, you have to pray for that person, and let your friends help you. There are no one to help you. No one can give you the help in this situation. Maybe no one wants you to marry that person, or no, they are not happy with this situation, or you have no one to help you in this situation. And just free yourself first. And you are not going to free yourself, because maybe you are thinking about them, or they are thinking about you, and you can't let your mind free for that situation. Love yourself first. Yes, you have to love yourself first. The universe is telling you that love yourself first. Think about your own self, think about your health, think about your happiness. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Then this cat card is over here. Oh, this person keep things in their mind like cat. They are gathering many bad thoughts in their mind, and they are going to punish you at once. But with this cat card, they are very shy. They don't normally go to strangers or other persons, and they only want their loved one. They are loving person. They are going to make you happy. Yes, the cat are going to make their owners happy, and I think that this person also. Violet Dutch is stifled, bored, and stuck. They are stuck over here. They are bored about some situation. I think they are bored about that decision. What I have to do? They are not going to cut you off. I think so. Now, I want to get some more card for you. With these cards, I think that this person got okay. They are restricting you. They are not letting you go away. They are not in love with you, and they are also not letting you go. And you are stuck over this situation, and you want help from Allah. You need one help from Allah. Okay, with this tree of Leodar, a tree in the center of the feast hall of the slain in Valhalla, containing immortal animals that have particular jobs. Something about immortality. Okay. Yes, maybe you have the wisdom, or this situation will never end. This will take to the long time. This will take to the long time. Dogger, Norse zombies, living dead, whom hurts are dead, having no emotions. Yes, definitely they have no emotions towards you. They are not love you, but they are stalking you. They don't let you go. I think this is their revenge from you about because of something. With these classes, you are going to see some clarification over here. You are going to see the truth of some situation, and prayers. You have to pray for your freedom. You have to pray for your own happiness, for your own good, and with this yes, Allah, God is great, greatest power, help from Allah. Yes, you need the help from Allah. Allah is the great, and you have to pray from your God for your help, and for what you want. I want to see that what they have in their mind for you. That person wants the separation from you. They are not with you from mind, and take me to the sky. Maybe they are, or you are telling them that take me to the sky. That's why they want to the separation, the divorce from you. It's you who can do it. You are telling them that it's you who can do it. Okay, with this another card. Oh baby, don't break my heart. You are telling them that don't break my heart. I don't want this separation. You are God's gift for me. You are telling them that you are God's gift for them, and we will meet someday. They are telling you that we shall meet at someday. I hate that distance between both of us. Yes, you are telling them that you are not, you don't want to make this distance. Make some distance from me. They are telling you make some distance from me. I don't like you. I don't want you in my life. I am jealous of you. You are, maybe you are very noble person, very famous person, or you are very successful person. That's why they are not happy with you. I pray for you. You are telling them that you are pray for them, and my children are stopping me. They are telling you that maybe they have children from someone else, and they are telling you that their children are stopping them. We can make it possible. You are saying that we can make it possible, please come towards me, and I have to go now. They are telling you that they have to go now. They have no time for that, and now they are going. Goodbye. They are telling you goodbye, and or vice versa. Maybe you are telling them to saying them goodbye. I have someone else. They are telling you that they have someone else in their life. We will meet in heaven. Maybe they are telling you we shall meet in heaven. Maybe your relationship is going on, not ended, and they are leaving you, and they are going towards the other person. I love you by my heart. You are telling them that you love them by your heart. You are in love with them. You want them back. You are the one for me. You are telling them you are the one for me, and you are in my dreams. I am dreaming about you, and my father is not agree. They are telling you that their father is not agree. Also, their children not letting them go. I will surely feel or make you happy. You are telling them I will now. I am really make you feel. I will do anything for you. What you say. I want to tell you something, and you are telling them that you want to tell them something. You have something to tell them. You are in love with them. You want them, but they are not with you. Or this is vice versa. You don't want them. You want to go away from them, and they are asking you to come towards them because they have something in their mind for you. And that's a reading for you. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your situation, please watch my previous videos, or you can watch my upcoming videos. And for that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can see all of my new videos. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other at next time.